It's 3 a.m., you're staring at the ceiling again, heart pounding. That email you need to send, that conversation you need to have, that dream you can't start, all playing on repeat. Your throat tightens as tomorrow's challenges loom larger in the darkness. Morning comes too soon, you avoid eye contact in the mirror. That presentation, that job application, that gym membership, all postponed again. Your coffee tastes bitter as opportunities slip through your trembling fingers. Remember your childhood dream, that fearless version of you who believed anything was possible. Somewhere along the way, life planted whispers of doubt that grew into concrete walls. You became your own jailer. My breaking point came in a fluorescent-lit office. My boss announced opportunities I desperately wanted. My mouth stayed shut, my knuckles turned white. In that moment, I saw my future self drowning in regret. That night, I made a terrifying decision. I would do one frightening thing daily, not skydiving or public speaking. Tiny things that made my palms sweat, asking a question in a meeting, making that uncomfortable phone call. Day one, calling instead of emailing. My hand hovered over the phone like it was radioactive. 3 deep breaths, dial tone, voice shaking, but when I hung up, no lightning struck, the world kept turning. The science hit me like lightning. Fear is just your brain's overprotective bodyguard. It screams lion when facing a house cat. Each brave action rewires those neural pathways, quieting false alarms. My bravery journal became sacred. Page 1, made eye contact during coffee order. Page 10, disagreed politely in a team meeting. Each entry proved my predictions wrong. The monsters shrank. Then came the big test, a pitch meeting with executives. Old me would have faked illness. New me prepared obsessively. Walking into that boardroom felt like stepping onto a battlefield. My voice cracked, my slides malfunctioned, but something magical happened. I kept speaking. Not perfectly, but authentically. And the sky didn't fall. In fact, someone nodded. Driving home that night, tears came, not from shame, from astonishment. The prison door had creaked open. I realized courage isn't fearlessness. It's hearing that screaming voice and saying, "I'll do it anyway." I began chasing discomfort, volunteered for visible projects, started that online course, even asked someone out. With each yes, my confidence muscle grew stronger. Failures still happened spectacularly. That proposal rejected, that awkward date, but now I saw them as data points, not death sentences. Each no taught me more than years of playing safe. Here's the secret I wish someone had tattooed on my palm. Fear and excitement feel identical physiologically. Your pounding heart before a challenge, that's your engine starting, not breaking. 1 year later, I stood on a real stage, not as audience but speaker. As the spotlight hit me, I smiled. That terrified insomniac was now my fuel, not my jailer. The most extraordinary shift, helping others through their fears. When Sarah from accounting confessed her terror of presentations, I shared my journal. Seeing her first successful talk healed parts of me I didn't know were broken. Research shows courage is contagious. Your bravery gives others permission to try. That colleague who watched your presentation, they applied for a promotion. The ripple effect is real. My life now looks completely different, not because I became fearless, but because I made friends with fear. It rides shotgun now, not steering. Your turn starts now, not tomorrow. What makes your palms sweat slightly today? That's your starting line. Do it trembling, but do it. Tonight might still bring 3 a.m. wakefulness, but now you'll have evidence. Yesterday you survived what terrified you. Tomorrow holds promise, not punishment. Remember, every hero you admire was once terrified. Courage isn't their superpower, action is. They built bridges across fear, one plank at a time. Look at your hands right now. These are not the hands of a prisoner. They are sculptor's hands waiting to shape your destiny. The clay is your fear. 1 year from today, you'll be someone's proof that change is possible. Your story will unlock cages, but first, unlock yours. Your greatest adventure begins where your comfort zone ends. Breathe deep, feel the fear, and step forward anyway. The world needs the brave version of you that's been waiting in the wings.